Behind every life-changing drug is a powerful, invisible engine, the pharmaceutical sales organization. It's not just about charismatic salespeople. It's a strategic human system that turns scientific breakthroughs into healthcare revolutions. The real challenge isn't just making great medicines, but ensuring doctors understand their value and prescribe them appropriately. In India's dynamic, highly regulated market, a well-structured sales team is essential. It ensures the right information reaches the right doctor at the right time, directly impacting patient outcomes. Without this structure, companies risk chaos, inconsistent messaging, and costly compliance breaches. The sales organization is the backbone that supports both commercial goals and ethical obligations. Regulatory bodies like the NPPA and the UCPMP 2024 set strict rules on pricing and promotion. A robust sales team is a company's first line of defense, standardizing communication and monitoring field activities to ensure compliance. Without it, companies face financial penalties and reputational damage that can be hard to recover from. Sales organization isn't just operational, it's a core strategic function. It aligns every field rep, manager, and marketer toward a common goal, serving the medical community with integrity while achieving business objectives. The design of this human machine determines whether a company thrives or merely survives. It's the difference between simply launching a product and building a legacy of trust. In pharma, the sales organization is the secret weapon that drives both growth and credibility. It's not just about selling, it's about building lasting health and trust in the marketplace. That's why the smartest pharma companies invest in their sales architecture from day one. Pharma companies don't use a one-size-fits-all approach to sales teams. They choose from four main models. The line organization is the simplest one. Rep covers all products in a territory, building strong local relationships and keeping things simple. The product or divisional organization splits teams by product line or therapy area. Think separate divisions for cardiology, oncology, and so on. This allows for deep expertise and targeted conversations, but can increase costs if multiple reps visit the same clinic. The customer or segment-based organization structures teams around customer types like hospital chains, independent pharmacies, or government tenders. This lets companies tailor their approach to each segment's unique needs, building stronger partnerships. The hybrid organization combines these models for maximum flexibility. For example, a company might use a divisional structure in big cities, a line structure in rural areas, and a customer-based team for key accounts. This hybrid approach helps companies adapt to India's complex market, balancing specialist expertise with broad coverage. The right structure depends on the company's portfolio, market, and strategy. Choosing wisely can mean the difference between market leadership and missed opportunities. Ultimately, the best sales force structure is the one that delivers the right message to the right customer every time. That's how pharma companies turn strategy into results. Structure isn't just an org chart, it's a competitive advantage. Deciding how many sales reps to hire is a make or break decision for pharma companies. Too few reps, and you lose ground to competitors. Too many, and costs spiral out of control. That's why companies use data-driven methods to get it right. The workload analysis method calculates how many doctor visits are needed, then divides by what one rep can realistically handle. Doctors are classified by prescribing potential, and call frequency is set for each group. This ensures every key doctor gets the right attention, and no territory is neglected. Another method, the incremental response model, looks at the point of diminishing returns, adding reps only as long as each one brings in more profit than they cost. The goal, a sales force that's not just big, but optimally sized for both reach and profitability. In pharma, precision matters. Every rep is an investment, not just a headcount. The smartest companies treat sales force sizing as a science, not a guess. That's how they maximize impact and stay ahead. Once the sales force is sized, the next step is smart territory management. The goal: balanced territories where every rep has a fair shot at success and every doctor is covered. Companies start with detailed data, doctor lists, specializations, and prescribing potential. Territories are mapped not just by geography, but by sales opportunity. A small urban patch might equal a vast rural area in value. Mapping software helps managers draw logical, efficient boundaries, minimizing travel and maximizing face time with doctors. Territory alignment isn't a one-off. It's reviewed regularly as markets shift and new clinics open. Continuous data updates keep the sales engine agile and responsive. Effective territory management means more productive reps, lower costs, and better market coverage. In pharma, territory science is the key to unlocking full market potential. The first-line manager, or FLM, is the field team's coach and compliance officer. They work side by side with reps, providing real-time feedback and ensuring flawless execution of strategy. FLMs translate big-picture plans into daily action, analyze sales data, and close performance gaps. They're also the front line for compliance, making sure every interaction meets UCPMP 2024 standards. Meanwhile, the product manager is the brand's strategist, designing campaigns, crafting messages, and arming the field force with tools and training. The FLM and PM form a feedback loop: strategy meets reality, and both adapt fast. This partnership is the engine that drives both sales and ethical success. In Indian pharma, hiring the right people is mission critical. One bad hire can mean legal trouble and lost trust. Leading companies use an 8-stage recruitment process to filter for both skill and integrity. It starts with sourcing and screening, then moves to interviews with the FLM, second-line manager, and HR, each probing for sales ability, strategic thinking, and ethical fit. A rigorous background check weeds out red flags. The final steps are transparent offer and a thorough onboarding, including deep training on compliance and ethics. This process builds a sales force that's not just effective, but trustworthy, a true asset in a high-stakes industry. Dyno-Life Pharmaceuticals faced high sales force attrition and poor performance. Exit interviews revealed new hires felt unprepared, and managers saw a lack of commitment. The solution: overhaul recruitment with the 8-stage integrity filter. Every candidate faced multiple interviews and a robust background check. Onboarding included intensive compliance training and certification. The results were dramatic. Attrition dropped from 35% to 12%, sales soared, and compliance incidents plummeted. Stable teams meant better doctor coverage and stronger growth. Dyno-Life proved that rigorous, integrity-focused hiring is a strategic investment, not a cost. Success in pharma isn't luck. It's built on strategy, structure, and ethics. The right sales force model, scientific sizing, and smart territory management create a powerful growth engine. Field managers and product managers form a partnership that keeps strategy and execution in sync. Rigorous recruitment ensures only the best, most ethical people represent the brand. The Dyno-Life story shows that investing in people and process pays off in performance and reputation. In pharma, trust is everything. Built by those who combine commercial acumen with integrity. The future belongs to strategic thinkers who see ethics and success as inseparable. That's the real masterclass in pharmaceutical sales.